LIMAB is the world leader in non-contact measurement for the panel industry. The first gauge can be used in the press, whether you are making MDF, OSB, plywood or other types of wood-based panels. After the press, the thickness is measured in a selectable number of tracks to optimize the process. Each PanelProfiler frame is equipped with a strong fan and filter unit, ensuring a positive airflow in the measurement frame to avoid dust and other particles settling on the sensor glass. This gives you very low maintenance and a low total cost of ownership over many years of use. The system has a built-in airflow sensor for instant alarm if low airflow occurs. Besides thickness, we can add non-contact measurement of width and length after the saw line to ensure full control of the process. All values will be visible in the operator HMI, with selectable warnings and out-of-tolerance levels. We can have up to 4 gauges with one computer to optimize the sanding process, avoiding sanding off too much material, saving on both material and sanding bouts. Depending on the need at the plant, all gauges can be equipped with a flexible number of sensors, normally ranging from 3 to 7 tracks. One other benefit with LIMAB solution is that the board is measured in its entirety, no matter the production speed. In the finishing line, we can measure the thickness, length and width, all measurements without touching the board, and the last gauge is for final quality check.